Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Samsung VRF systems, the E-201 error code. If you're a homeowner or technician dealing with this frustrating error in 2025, don't worry. We'll break it down step by step so you can get your system up and running quickly. First off, let's understand what this error means. The E-201 code typically indicates a communication error between the indoor and outdoor units of your Samsung VRF system. This could be due to issues with the wiring, signal interference, or even a faulty control board. It's like your AC units aren't talking to each other properly, which can lead to the whole system shutting down. Now, why does this happen? There are a few common causes. One is loose or damaged wiring connections, which can occur from wear and tear or improper installation. Another culprit might be electromagnetic interference from nearby devices, like power lines or other electronics. Additionally, dust buildup or a malfunctioning sensor could be disrupting the communication signals. In some cases, it's as simple as a software glitch that needs a reset. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start by turning off the power to your Samsung VRF system at the circuit breaker and waiting about 5 minutes before turning it back on. This basic reset often clears temporary errors. Next, inspect the wiring connections between the indoor and outdoor units. Make sure all cables are securely plugged in and free from damage. If you find any frayed wires, you'll need to replace them, safety first. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and ensure there's no short circuit. If the error persists, it might be time to check for interference. Relocate any nearby electronic devices or install shielding if possible. For more advanced troubleshooting, update the system's firmware through the Samsung app or service menu, as 2025 models might have new patches available. Remember, if you're not comfortable with electrical work, call a certified technician to avoid any risks. In summary, the E-201 error is usually fixable with some basic checks and resets. We've covered the meaning, causes, and solutions to help you out. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more HVAC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.